Hi, hello, how are you? I'm Eliane. Welcome to my channel. This is my channel. So loud in here and I look like crap. Once again, I think that's just gonna be my brand, so you guys don't have high expectations of me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today is that I want to DIY a jumper dress. And I was already gonna do that, but it came out wrong, and I'll put it right here. That's what happened. That wasn't good. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna go to Marshall's first because I need deodorant. I don't know where we are. Okay. So I said I was gonna buy just one thing, but I ended up with 2 bags, so like, you know, I have no self-control. And stop looking at me like that. I know I have a problem. Okay, let's go. So I tried it on. I literally don't have an ass. I look like a plank with this. So that's not a look. We're gonna change it up. We don't want to look like clowns. We want to look fashionable. It's huge and it's a small. That's not okay. So we're gonna turn this item into a cute little overall dress. So yeah. And that is it for today's video. It was very short and sweet. I didn't want to make it too in-depth because it's not really hard. It's literally just cutting the crotch and sewing it together. Super simple. So I thought it was pretty self-explanatory. If you didn't like that, please let me know if I should do more of a talk through. This is just like a little thing. I don't want you to hear my voice all the time. I kind of get annoyed when I'm editing of my own voice. So yeah, that's why I did it like that. So if you did like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you like my face and want to see more of my face, go ahead and subscribe. All of my socials will be down below, so you can follow me there and we can talk through there, and you can tell me, hey, you should do this. And I'll be like, okay, probably, maybe, you know, it could happen. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, I'm really bad at this. How do people do it? Okay, now it's red. I'm just, okay, bye.